Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear viewers, Inshallahul Kareem, in this video you are going to learn the Holy Quran, Para 1, Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayat number 118 and 119 with the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat. Let's start reading. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وقال الذين لا يعلمون لولا يكلمنا الله أو تأتينا آية كذلك قال الذين من قبلهم مثل قولهم تشابهت قلوبهم قد بينا الآيات لقوم يوقنون. Look at the word وقال الذين. Pronounce qaf with thicker voice because it is a mustaliya letter. La ya'lamuna, stretch waw madda. Lawla, stretch alif madda. Yukallimuna Allahu, pronounce the lam of Allah's name with thicker voice because there is zabar before it. Aw ta'tina, pronounce hamza sakin with sudden pause, and you can see hamza after alif madda in the next word. It is madde munfasil. You have to stretch up to 5 harakat. Ayah, change round ta with ha sakin in waqf. Kadhalika, stretch khada zabar on dal. Qala alladhina, stretch alif madda and ya madda. Min qablihim, there is qaf after noon sakin. Qaf is an ikfa letter. The rule ikfa will be done and gunna will be done in noon sakin. Mithla qawlihim, pronounce tha without whistle. Tashabahat qulubuhum, pronounce qaf with thicker voice because it is a mustaliya letter. Qad bayyana al-ayati, do gunna in noon mushaddad. Liqawmi yuqinun, you can see ya after two zir after tanween. Ya is a yarmalun letter. The rule idgham will be done and gunna will be done in tanween. Yuqinun, there is a temporary sukun after waw madda. Madde aris will be done. You have to stretch up to 5 harakat. Next ayat. Inna arsalnaka bilhaqqi bashiran wa nadhiran wa la tus'alu an ashabil jahim. Look at the word inna arsalnaka. Do gunna in noon mushaddad, and there is hamza after alif madda in the next word. It is madde munfasil. You have to stretch up to 5 harakat. Bil haqqi, pronounce qaf with thicker voice and with emphasis because qaf is a qalqala letter and it is mushaddad in this word. Bashiran wa nadhiran, there is waw after tanween. Waw is a yarmalun letter. The rule idgham will be done and gunna will be done. Wala tus'alu, stretch alif madda after lam. An ashabil jahim, pronounce sod with thicker voice and stretch madde aris at the end of this word.